Nasorpresa ang fans ni Sara dahil sa pixie haircut inito. Ginulat ni Sara Geronimo ang fans niya dahil sa kanyang new look sa online concert nila ng asawang si Matteo Guidicelli. Para ito sa 5th anniversary ng isang membership shopping store na naganap ngayong gabi, June 27, 2021.
Everyone! Welcome to the Landers 5th birthday online concert
with my extra beautiful wife.
and my extra handsome husband.
No, baby,
Matt.
this is the most beautiful you've ever looked in your
Wow.
whole entire life. Doesn't she, everybody? Everybody on Facebook watching?
Bayad ho yan, mga kaibigan.
Straight from the heart.
Hello po to all our supporters and viewers who are watching us right now. Maraming salamat po. It's a very special time because we are celebrating Landers Superstore's 5th anniversary.
Yes, happy birthday, Landers. Happy 5th.
Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umagang kay kanta. Pagsikat ng araw, may nalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Haharapin natin just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We don't need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We don't need somebody to lean on me when you're not strong. When you're not strong, I'll be your friend, and I'll help you carry on. Oh, it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, no one can fill those of your needs that you won't. So don't stop. Eyes when it knows, no matter how when I'm getting close. When you already know. Yeah!
May mga nagduda na gumamit ng wig ang popstar royalty tulad ng nangyari sa mga pinagbidahang pelikula, gaya ng You Changed My Life na idinirect ni Kathy Garcia Molina. Pero ayon kay Sarah, it's my real hair. First time ni Sarah na magpagupit ng maiksi kaya nanibago at hindi makapaniwala ang fans ko. Ito yung shortest hair ni Sarah mula nang mag-umpisa ang kanyang showbiz career. Sa matagal na panahon, mahaba ang buhok ni Sarah. Para sa bago niyang hairdo, aprobado ito ng mga tagahanga ni Sarah dahil lalong umaliwalas ang itsura nito at bakas sa kanyang mukha na maligayang maligaya siya sa piling ni Mateo. Bagay na bagay sa kanya, gandang hindi nakakasawa, siguradong news bukas ang kanyang new hairdo at marami ang gagaya sa buhok niya, ang ilan sa mga reaksyon ng netizens tungkol sa new hairdo ni Sarah Geronimo.